Morning students, hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss about the area of square and rectangle. Okay, so by Tilling method you already know how to find out the area of square and rectangle. That those things already you learn in your previous classes. Okay, so today we will learn that by using a formula how to find out the area of a square and rectangle. Okay, let's see the first things. So see here, the unit of square area is square centimeter. Suppose in rectangle the length is in centimeter and the breadth is in centimeter. So the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So centimeter into centimeter. So means we will get the answer is in square centimeter. We write it as like this way. We have to write square centimeter or centimeter square. We use square meter or meter square. Suppose the length and breadth both are given in meter. So that time we are using how to express the area, square meter or meter square for square meter. Okay, let us look at the rectangle PQRS shown alongside. So see here, this is a rectangle PQRS. So using Tilling method, we divided its length into 4 measures of 1 centimeter each and breadth into 3 measures of 1 centimeter each. So we will measure this 4 centimeter divided by 4 of 1 centimeter each. So each box is this length is up to here to here. This length is 1 centimeter. Again here to here is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So if you add those 4 boxes, then you will get 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 centimeter. Okay. So that this side we will divide it like this way, and that side we will divide it because 3 centimeter each boxes along 3 squares of 1 centimeter each. Okay. So we see that 12 1 centimeter squares completely cover the rectangle. So you count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 10 11 12. Okay, so this 12 square complete this rectangle PQRS. So that's the area of the rectangle PQRS is equal to 12 square centimeter, or the area of the rectangle. Okay, so you can write down it is area of a rectangle PQRS is equal to 12 centimeter square. Okay, so this process is the Tilling process. The Tilling process Tilling method or Tilling process already you learned in your previous class. But how to find out the area of rectangle by using a formula. Okay, so the area of rectangle PQRS is equal to length into breadth. So this long side, so means 4 centimeter is greater than 3 centimeter. So which side is the longer one? This side is the longer one. So this the length and this side is the breadth. So you write here length and this side is the breadth. Okay, so length into breadth is equal to the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter, so means 12 centimeter square centimeter, or you can write down also 12 centimeter square. Okay, so this way also you can write down. Okay, so this way by using a formula we have to find out the area of a rectangle this way. Okay, let's see the another problem. And students, you please memorize this formula. Area of a rectangle equals to length into breadth. So this formula is very important. You please memorize this formula. Area of a rectangle equals to length into breadth. Let's see the question. In the square ABCD, so this is a square ABCD. How can you find out this is a square? Because you see that the each side of this plane's figure, each side is equal, so that's why it is a square. All the sides are equal because this is a square, so that's why all the sides are equal. So the formula for the area of a rectangle takes the following form for a square. So area of a square, what is the formula? Is it side into side? So you see here this formula, you please memorize this formula. Area of a square equals to side into side. Thus area of the square ABCD equals to side into side is equal to 3 into 3, so means 9 square centimeter, or you can write also 9 centimeter square. Okay, so the standard units used for measuring area are square centimeters and square meters. It is important to ensure that both length and breadth of a rectangle are measured in the same units. So suppose you have to check one things, this side and this side, so means you have to check all the sides unit is same or not. So these things is very important. So you have to convert it in one unit, so means is either centimeter or meter. Okay, so it is important to ensure that both length and breadth of a rectangle are measured in the same units. So this centimeter is a meter, centimeter, those are the units. If the measures are given in different units, one of the measure has to be first converted. So suppose that one side's unit is in centimeter and another side is unit is in meter, so have to convert it first converted into is same unit. So one of the measures has to be first converted into the unit of the other before finding the area. So before finding the area you have to convert it into a same unit. Okay, so example 5. One side of a square measures 1.4 meter. Find its area. So one side of a square measures 1.4 meter. So this is a square. So means all the sides are equal. So sides of the square you write like this way. Sides of the square is equal to 1.4 meter. So area of the square is equal to, what is the formula? Side into side. So means you write here side into side. So 1.4 meter into 1.4 meter. So you multiply it. Then you will get 1.96 square meter, or you can write down 1.96 meter square. So let's see example 6. The length of a rectangle. So that was the previous question was is a square, but here is that is a rectangle. So these things you have to, when you read the question, please you read it carefully. Is in your question is asking about square or rectangle, those things you don't mix up, that is totally different. The length of a rectangle is 25 centimeter and its breadth is 15 centimeter. Find the area. So how can you find out the area? Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So instead of length you write down this value, because the length of the rectangle is given 25 centimeter, and instead of breadth you write down 15 centimeter. So now you multiply it, then you will get 375 square centimeter, or you can write down 375 centimeter square. Okay, so that way you have to, if you memorize this formula, you can solve any problem. Okay, so please you memorize what is the area of a square, what is the formula of area of square, or what is the formula of a rectangle. Those things you please memorize. Let's see example 7. The length of a rectangle is 1.5 meter. So length is given and its breadth is 20 centimeter. So breadth is given. Find its area in square centimeter. So you see here that things actually I explained here. So length is in meter. So student, you please notice one thing, length is in meter but breadth is in centimeter. So we have to convert it into same unit. Okay, same unit means same system of unit. Okay, so means is either centimeter or meter, whatever you want you can. Where the measures are given in different units, so the length which is in meter has to be first converted into centimeter, because the answer is in asking in the question is asking about the square centimeter. So you have to, because it already mentioned. If it's not mentioned in your question, that time any if you want to convert it into meter, it's no problem. But here is mentioned in square centimeter, so you have to do it. you find out the area is in square centimeter. Okay, so for that actually the measures are given in different units. So see, meter and centimeter, so those are different units. So the length which is in meter has to be first converted, because this is in centimeter, so no need to convert it in meter. So we only converted in meter to centimeter. So how can you convert it in meter to centimeter? So for this, length is equal to 1.5 meters. So 1.5 into 100, if you multiply it with 100 with 1.5, then we will get the length is in centimeter. So 150 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 20 centimeter. Now you know that what is the formula of an area of a rectangle. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So 150 centimeter into 20 centimeter, so means 3000 square centimeter. Okay, so area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So 150 centimeter into 20 centimeter, so 3000 square centimeter. So let's see question example 8. The area of a rectangular envelope is 200 square centimeters. So envelope is looks like this, or you know student what it looks like. So it is if its length measures 20 centimeters. So you see here area is given. Okay, above those examples is asking about that find out the area. So length, breadth both are given. Sometimes the size are given to find out the area of a square or area of a rectangle. So here actually little bit trick of this question. So area is given, one side length is given, so how to find out its breadth? So simple, for that also you have to remember the formula of the area of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So by inverse multiplication, reverse multiplication, so you see, so breadth is in this side and area of a, so if you divided area of a rectangle by length, we will get breadth. So if you divided by length, divided area of a rectangle by length, then you will get this area of a we will get the breadth of that rectangle. So you see here, so breadth is equal to area divided by length. So 200 divided by 20, so means 10 centimeter. Okay, so this way you have to solve this problem. So area is given here, length is given, so how to find out the breadth? So for this also you have to remember the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, so let's see, try this. So find the length and breadth using a ruler. So how to find out the length and breadth? By using a ruler, that things already you know. For this we need a ruler. So one side we have to measure it. Okay, for this you measure, start measuring. Okay, so see, yes, so it is 5 centimeters. So you see 0 to 5, so that side is 5 centimeters. So you write here 5 centimeter. And now you see that what is the side of this side. So you measure this is 3 centimeter. So this side is 3 centimeter. Okay, now if you want you can check that those parts also. You see here, see this side is also 5 centimeter, and yes, this side also 3 centimeter. Okay, so you see one thing, this, so if you give the name of this, this is a shape of a rectangle. So you see student, this side and these sides are equal, and this side and this side are equal. So opposite sides are equal. So this is a rectangle. So you write here in the fill in the blanks, you just write here length is equal to 5 centimeter, because the 5 is greater than 3, so that's why we will take the length as a long side. So so length is equal to 5 centimeter and breadth is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, so now you know that what is the area of a rectangle, length into breadth. So you just simply multiply with 5 into 3, and obviously you write the unit. Otherwise if you forget to write the unit, the answer doesn't mean anything. Okay, so don't forget to write the unit, because unit is very important. Without a unit is everything is meaningless. Okay, So what you will the result? 5 plus 3 means 15 centimeter square. So this is you write like this way, or you can write 15 square centimeter. Okay, whatever. Okay, you can write. Now let's see the question number 9. The area of a rectangular field is 5750 square meter. So area is given. If the breadth of the field is 25 meter, find the length of the field. So you see here, we know the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So here actually area is given, breadth is given, you have to find out the length. So simply you have to do that by reverse operation application, by reverse multiplication. So by reverse multiplication you do length is equal to area divided by breadth. So 5750 divided by 25, so then you will get 230 meter. Okay, let's see example 10. So example 10 is a little bit tricky. So find the area of the following figure. You see this figure. So we have to find out the area of this figure. So how can you find out the area of the figure? So you see student one thing. So this shape is this part and this part, you see if you draw a dotted line here one. So if you extend this AG, this line, if you extend up to touch these lines, then then we will get a 1 square here. And if you extend this CD, this line up to here, then you will get another square, because if the total length is 4 centimeter, this part is that half of this line. So 2 plus 2, so means 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. So this 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, so it is a square because all sides are equal. Here also you will get the all sides are equal. So then this is a we are using the formula of area of a square here, area of a square here, and this middle part is act as a rectangle. So let's see what is how to solve this problem. So extend DC line. Okay, so what is the DC line? So DCC here. So we have to extend to intersect AH. So you see that this line is in AH. Intersect means you have to touch this line to this. Okay, so to intersect AH at P. So see here, after extending the DC line, that line intersect the AH line at point P. So and extend AG is to intersect DE at Q with dotted lines. Okay, so also see these lines also you extend to intersect the line DE at a point Q. So by using a dotted line. So as shown, mark the points of the intersection as P and Q respectively. So though this point of intersection, because that line is touch line, so this is the point of intersection, means that point where that two lines are intersect to each other. So here you see now ABCP is a square with each side measuring 2 centimeter, and QEFG is also square with each side equal to 2 centimeters. So see here, this is behaves like a square, this is also behaves like a square. If you want, you can use the ruler and check all the sides of this square, check it is all sides are 2 centimeter or not. And this ones also use this ruler and measure its each sides of this square is 2 centimeter or not. If it's 2 centimeter, okay, so that's the area of a square of ABCP is equal to, we know that side into side, so 2 into 2 square centimeter, so means 4 square centimeter. And the area of a square QEFG, so means we are talking about this square, it has also each sides of the square is equals to 2 centimeter. So 2 into 2 square centimeter, so means 4 square centimeter. So these two parts already we have calculated. Now PDQH is a rectangle with length CD plus PC. So CD, where is the CD? Yes, I got it. CD and CD plus PC. Okay, PC. So now you see this part is 8 centimeter, and when we add this 8 plus 2, so means is 10 centimeter. So we are talking about this rectangle PDQH. So and 8 plus 10 means 2 centimeter, so 10 2 centimeter, and this part 2 centimeter, this part 2 centimeter. So also we know that area of a rectangle PDQH is equal to length into breadth. So 10 centimeter into 2 centimeter square centimeter. So we will get the result is into square centimeter. So means 10 into 2 means 20 square centimeter. So now you have to find out the total area, because our question is not asking about that part of those figure. We have to find out the total area of this figure. So now area of the figure ABCDEFGH is equal to area of this plus area of this rectangle plus area of this square. Okay, so now is 4, because for this square we will get 4 square centimeter. For this rectangle we will get 20 square centimeter. So 20 plus 4 for this square, so 4 square centimeter. So when after adding this we will get 28 square centimeter, or you can write down 28 centimeter square. Okay, so this way you have to solve this problem. Little bit hard, but you try it to practice in more and more times, then it will be easy for you. Okay, so let's see the another problem of this chapter. Okay, so see here question example 11. An L-shaped room needs to be carpeted. Okay, so this is a L-shaped room. We are thinking about we need one L-shaped carpet. So how can you so what is the area of carpet needed? So what is the area of a carpet needed? The dimension of the room are as shown in the following figure. Okay, so see here we need this shape of carpet for this room. Okay, so this is the dimension of the room. This length is 8 centimeter, this is 2 meter, 8 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter and 2 meter. Okay, this is the dimension is given. So at first you give the name, otherwise it will be very confusing to solve this problem. Please you give the name. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so this is the room. So we have to make a one carpet for we need a one carpet for this room. Okay, so how can you find out? So you see this you extend this BC line to intersect this GE line at point F. So F is the point of intersection. So you see here, by dividing the carpet area into a rectangle and a square, that will be easy to solve this problem. Okay, so see here when you divided this room as a rectangle and square, so easily you can find out, because area of a rectangle and area of square formula you know. So if you divided it, it will be easy to find out the area of that room. So we have figure ABCDEFG. The area of carpet needed is equal to area of a rectangle ABFG. Okay, and area of a square is equal to CDEF. So CDEF is a square and this is a rectangle. Okay, so now you know that this 8 centimeter and this side is also 8 centimeter. So this side is 8 meter, this side is also 8 meter, and this side is 2 meter, and this side also 2 meter. If you want, you can use the ruler and also make it. So area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So you write down here 8 into 2 square meter, and here you see the each side of this square is 2 meter. So 2 into 2, because area of a square is equal to side into side, so means 2 into 2 square meter. So here we will, after multiplication you will get 8 into 2 means 16, and 4 into 4 means 4 into 2 into 2 means 4 square meter. So 16 plus 4 is equal to 20 square meter. So now we know that the area of a carpet needed is 20 square meter, or you can write 20 meter square. So this way you have to solve these problems. You please practice it and also do this exercise 13.2. Okay, in my next video I will discuss this exercise, and after that we will start volume. Okay, thank you student, bye.